Alright, so welcome to your first chapter project. In this chapter we're going to be building a landing page. Okay, so it'll be a one-page design built on HTML5 and CSS. Alright, so the page will be fully responsive and will render nicely on multiple screen sizes. Alright, we're going to be using the Eric Myers reset file, and I'll go more into detail on what a reset file is. Basically, it'll zero out all the margin and padding of basically all of the HTML elements so that it renders correctly on every browser. Alright, so it'll be a one-page template without navigation, and we'll also have an HTML5 form. Alright, so we're going to be using HTML5 in all of our projects. Alright, even though they will work even if you want to use XHTML or HTML4. So the sections, we have the introduction, which is this video. We have the base structure and reset file creation. So we'll create the HTML file, the CSS folder, and the reset file. Then we'll move on to the page HTML markup, the page CSS styles, which will be the container, the body, the headings, things like that, basically the core CSS. And then we'll move on to the custom CSS, where we'll style the form, the bullet points, things like that. Alright, and then finally we will make the template responsive so that it renders correctly on mobile devices. Basically what you'll learn is HTML5 markup. We'll talk about what a reset file is, the basic CSS syntax. We'll start to work with divs with IDs and classes, HTML form structure and styling, and also media queries and responsive CSS. Alright, so let's get started. Hopefully you learn a lot, and I'll see you in the next video. Thanks.